So I'm on my way to Llangollen to meet up with some old army buddies, and I stopped off at the Ponderosa cafe, very popular with bikers, as you see, and this is at the top of the Horseshoe Pass. I won't be stopping for anything to eat, I just stopped here to show you how beautiful it is on this spring day. So like I said, it's very popular with bikers up here, but looking down across this wonderful view just lets you know why this place is dedicated as an area of outstanding natural beauty. And it's this beauty that draws thousands and thousands of tourists in the height of the season. Okay, I'm just going to head down and meet my buddies. So I'm looking down on the River Dee from the gardens of the Hand Hotel, which is a favourite place for my brother Richard and I to stay when we're in Llangollen. And I've just got to make a phone call and find out where my friends are. So I'll be meeting my friends here at the Royal in a few minutes. Meanwhile, I think I'll show you around this part of town. And there's the cottage tea rooms that have featured in one of my other videos. And that's the main street of Llangollen. I'm going to walk up to the bridge. Spectacular view of the River Dee. These views will be familiar to you if you're a regular at my channel. And there's a train pulling into Llangollen station. My friends are just 5 minutes away, so I thought I'd show you this. I'm actually standing on the balcony of the Royal Hotel now. The hotel bar balcony overhangs the river, so the views are absolutely stunning from here. Incredible.
Hello.
Right, these lovely people are my dear friends Pete and Kathy. Peter I have known since I was 16 years old, since we were both 16 years old. And
long time ago.
Without making his head swell, he's the best of men.
Thank you, mate.
Yeah, I'll second that.
And he's got the best of ladies too.
Thank you very much.
Alright, we're taking a walk over the bridge to the bridge, right?
Yeah.
The bridge pub, yeah.
Bridge End Hotel.
And we're going to have something to eat in there, I believe.
Yep, we are.
There you go, Bridge End Hotel. I can't resist a look at the River Dee. This is inside the bridge. Bridge
Hotel.
Head Hotel, isn't it? Bridge
End.
Bridge End Hotel, that's it. Bridge End Hotel. And this is the table we got laid out for lunch. That's the Stantish, as we know it. If you have enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you would like to follow my channel, please subscribe and be sure to click the bell icon to receive notification of all my upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.